The next most interesting thing is social media boundaries. Tell me honestly, how many of you go crazy when your friend posts a picture with you online or tag you somewhere? You're not liking it. Oh God, why did he or she post this picture? Or why he or she tagged you here or there? Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. You're watching and listening to Miss Amaira Jyoti on Speak Up Hesitations, and you are on Speak Up Hesitations as well. You have no idea how much excited I am right now while filming this video, filming myself, because talking about limits, boundaries is one of my favorite things. You know, people think that in friendships, you can cross boundaries, but it's not true, right? A lot of people misunderstand boundaries in friendships. They feel like if you are really close enough with somebody, you can ignore certain boundaries or limits, or you can ignore certain lines like respect, personal space. But that's not the case at all, right? I'm giving you a dare, okay? Go and disrespect your friend and enter their personal space. They will switch on their defense mode. Maybe they will talk to you nicely to stay away, but they will definitely tell you to respect their boundaries and do not question their actions because they are not wrong here. They're absolutely right. Doesn't matter how much close you are with somebody, you have to follow basic boundaries with everybody. Do you really understand the real meaning of boundaries? It's like respecting each other's needs, feelings, personal space, etc. And if you're really doing so, you are extraordinary because not everybody can understand these all small details. And I'm telling you, it's extremely important to follow these things in every relationship you have with people. Okay, why don't we talk about some real boundaries, like what are those boundaries and how to set them? जैसे कभी-कभी हम खुद इतने ज़्यादा एग्ज़ॉस्टेड होते हैं, बट योर फ्रेंड कैन एक्सपेक्ट यू टू बी इमोशनली अवेलेबल फॉर हिम और हर, राइट? हमेशा तो नहीं, बट कभी तो ऐसा हुआ होगा दैट योर फ्रेंड कॉल्स यू लेट एट नाइट बिकॉज़ दे आर वरिड अबाउट समथिंग और not okay with something, and you're hearing them out. Okay, you're empathetic also, but you're already exhausted, you're already tired, you're dying to have a good night's sleep because there's work again in the morning, right? So you can set boundaries for yourself here very nicely, very kindly, and it's absolutely okay to sound like that. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry that you're feeling this way, but I really need to rest right now. Can we talk tomorrow when I'm more available? And it's not like that you're ignoring your friend. It's about taking care of your emotional health as well. And clear out with your friend that it's not ignorance. So communicate better to avoid all the confusions, to cut out all the confusions. Okay, and you're good to go. Now, how many of you have heard about time boundaries? Friendship में होता है कई बार ऐसा. Your friend always need your time, attention, even if you are busy or in your personal space. So if you are constantly making time for somebody else and completely ignoring yours, it means कोई तो boundary cross हो रही है. कोई तो ऐसी चीज़ है जो limit से बाहर जा रही है. So our goal is not access of anything. Our goal is to keep things in balance, right? So if your friend is constantly, frequently approaching you to go out or hang out, it's absolutely fine to tell them that, hey, I really want to hang out with you. I really want to spend time with you, but I really need to focus on other things right now. Okay? Because you're already overwhelmed, feeling overwhelmed because of work and other commitments, right? So it's really okay. It's fine to set these, ground level boundaries for yourself. And it really helps to prioritize your well being as well. So settle things in a very nice way, okay? Don't sound like you don't care about your friendship. Make sure your friend does not misunderstand you. It can happen, so do not let it happen. Because I know that you are a sweetheart, you just want your own space, so let me just give you a hug. How many of you already know about physical boundary? I can really feel you here. लोगों को physical boundary explain करना is actually a task. It's really difficult. People can actually get you wrong here. Some people are actually very comfortable in physical touch while talking, right? And you might not liking it if your friend is constantly talking to you while touching you physically. Some people have that habit of touching shoulder, tapping on the head, tapping on the back, and constantly pushing you and pulling you, right? You might not liking it. So don't feel embarrassed or guilty to set boundaries over here for yourself. Okay, you can simply let your friend know that, hey, yeah, I know that you're feeling very comfortable with me, but is that okay if you control your physical touch while talking to me? And don't take it otherwise, okay? It's simply like you're not liking it. Okay, I think communicating better will help here. So there's nothing wrong in setting boundaries in friendships as well. It will help you to feel more comfortable while staying honest with your friend, right? And I feel like your friend must follow this. The next most interesting thing is social media boundaries. Tell me honestly, how many of you go crazy when your friend posts a picture with you online or tag you somewhere you're not liking it? Oh God, why did he or she post this picture? Or why he or she tagged you here or there? They might cross a line by sharing about you something online जिसमें आप comfortable नहीं हो. They can send you something in your inbox that's really cheap. Again, do not think twice to set boundaries for them. Just simply let them know that just discuss with me from the very next time whatever you want to share about me uh, in the internet or anywhere like in the future, right? इससे आपकी प्राइवेसी भी मेंटेन हो गई और आपकी फ्रेंडशिप भी. फ्रेंडशिप में बाउंड्रीज और लिमिट सेट करने से दोस्ती अफेक्ट नहीं होती है. ग्रो अप एवरीबॉडी. थिंक इन दिस वे कि आप अपने दोस्त के लाइक्स और डिसलाइक्स के बारे में और अच्छे से जान जाओगे, राइट? यू विल बी एबल टू नो ईच अदर बेटर, यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड ईच अदर मोर डीपली. So it's really healthy. Setting boundaries is really healthy. It's really not disrespectful. But how you express your disapproval, how you express your boundaries, it's really important. Okay, how you're communicating, how you're choosing your words while talking is extremely important, and that really matters at the end of the day. All right, good luck. Thanks for watching. And as usual, bye for now.